Hi, I'm AC Locke. You're the owner of SoftWash Systems, the world's largest exterior soft washing and sanitation network. With this current coronavirus pandemic, I just wanted to explain to you how we can deploy our over 220 in-network companies worldwide utilizing this state-of-the-art soft washing equipment to sanitize your property. We now know with all certainty that the highest mortality rate is among our senior citizens. Our older population needs to be protected. So when you look at facilities like assisted living facilities, senior care centers, and retirement villages, those areas need to be sanitized and disinfected above all else. And we follow the CDC guidelines for disinfecting those communities. Our SoftWash Systems in-network companies have achieved a specific certification to help with this viral outbreak for sanitizing your surfaces. And if you'd like to engage one of those companies, go to our website and click on the locator page. We have 220 companies worldwide ready and able to serve you.